Welcome to episode 2 of What's in the Bowl, a series where I try to find the ultimate post-gym, high-protein sweet treat. And today, we have the Banana Bananza. This bowl is packing a clean 20 grams of protein for 350 calories. To make it, Greek yogurt, sliced banana, protein cereal, nut butter, and enjoy. Don't get me wrong, this bowl is immaculate, but I can't rank this higher than the first bowl. The macros are just incomparably worse, which means the Banana Bananza gets ranked at number 2. If you want me to try your bowl ideas, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy those overall eats.